Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. Wanted to do an update. It's been a while since I covered Jasmy, even though there has been a lot of price action, of course. And it's still at a very crucial level here, around 1.85 cents. So just wanted to do a full update here. I'll try to cover everything you need to know. I'll tell you my personal opinion or my personal bias / analysis, whatever you want to call it. Essentially, it's all the same on Jasmy as well. But I'll just try to prepare you for the different possibilities here. So let's get right into it. So we have to start out with the higher time frames, right? Because there you can see the most relevant picture. And this is the 3-day time frame, and this is what you can see. All right, so Jasmy has been relatively strong, of course, during the month of April, as most of you know. And all of that strength, both from Jasmy specifically, because we had quite a lot of strength from Jasmy as well, when the market was, well, not necessarily down, but the market was quiet. And then we also had some market strength. That's this green candle we had right here last week, obviously, and all of that pushed Jasmy into this main resistance level and this main key area, which is between 1.9 cents. Some people would draw it all the way up to 2 cents, where we have the POC of this range, of this balance. And obviously, 2 cents is a big psychological resistance level. So you could do that. But personally, I think it's more accurate to say 1.65 cents. But we pushed into that with quite a lot of strength. There's a bit of a bearish divergence here, but we'll talk about that a bit later. And now the question is as well, all right, is Jasmy or is the market strong enough to push above that level? And it's both, because both can push Jasmy above 1.9 cents and back into this balance right here. And if we are, or if Jasmy is able to reclaim this balance right here, which we held for numerous times last year, then all of a sudden the price target around 2.4, 2.5 cents becomes quite realistic, right? And that's another, from the current prices, that's another 30% move. So that's obviously what we want to see. And, you know, Jasmy, we could have some positive news coming from Japan, could push Jasmy higher. Their market maker, or at least one of their biggest partners, is obviously DWF Labs. They have a history of orchestrating some very major pumps, so it's definitely a possibility. But is it the most likely scenario? That is a different question, all right? And for multiple reasons. I mean, like I said, the second move we had was a massive bearish divergence. If you take a look at the open interest right here, if you take a look at the volume just above that, if you take a look at the RSI, all of those made lower highs while the price made higher highs. It is a very strong resistance, and then right now there's no specific fundamentals for Jasmy that are bullish enough to push the price above that, and that's also reflected in that momentum, which is decreasing. And then outside of that, there's no guarantees, first of all, that Bitcoin is going to get a bullish breakout, and second of all, that's going to take Jasmy together with it. All right, so therefore, do I think it's a possibility we'll break above 1.9, 1.85 cents and that will rally into 2.4? Yes, but we do need to see something change, right? And until that has changed, we only know what we can see right now. And what we can see right now is a massive resistance level, a bearish divergence move into that, and a loss of momentum. So therefore, I'll have to say, I think the price is going to remain stable. But I do think the most likely direction is to fill this imbalance right here towards 1.4 and or 1.5 and 1.45 cents. So those are my thoughts. I'll definitely keep you updated on this. I keep an eye on Jasmy every single day, so let me know if you'd be interested in that as well. But given what we know right now, this is it, all right? And if anything changes, I'll be there to make an update. But for now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.